We got a 2015 Mazda CX-5 and we're going to put it into brake maintenance mode. So down here we have our parking brake or switch. The ignition switch is what we're going to use, plus the accelerator pedal. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to cycle the key twice, or the button twice, so the dash lights come on. And then we're going to press the park brake. We're going to press down. We're going to push the accelerator pedal. At the same time, then we're going to cycle the vehicle off, then back on to power mode, and it's going to put it into brake maintenance mode. So right here over in the dash, we don't have any P, okay? I can't hold the recording device and do this all at the same time. So 1 second. So we're going to press the button here, press the accelerator pedal. Oh. And we're going to shut the vehicle off, back on. I don't know if you guys heard that, but the rear calipers retracted. Now we have in the dash the little P over here. So we're in brake maintenance mode. Now we can go ahead and service the rear brakes. And once it's finished, I'll show you how to get out of it. Alright, we're going to take it out of brake maintenance mode. What we're going to do is we're going to pull up and press the accelerator pedal at the same time. And then we're going to turn on the ignition. Going to pull up, press the accelerator pedal. We're going to shut off, then turn on, and the little P light over there is going to shut off. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. Shut the ignition off, turn it back on within 5 seconds. With pressing the accelerator pedal and pulling up. There, now everything went back to normal. No more P light over on the left hand side. And that's how you get out of brake maintenance mode. Make sure you hit that like button, hit subscribe. See you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye!